Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to solve a system of equations in Mathematica. Why would you want to know how to do this? Well, maybe you've got a system of equations that is a bit difficult or challenging to solve manually, or quite frankly, would take way too long. So I'll be showing you how to solve a system of equations in Mathematica. Check out the video description as I will try and leave written instructions there. So let's get started. First, you're going to need to define your equations. I already have copied mine, so I'm simply going to paste them. This is how you should define your equations. So I just label each equation as equation 1 and I type out the equation. Right, I have 5 equations, and now on the next line, what you're going to say is solve. And inside here, you're going to put each equation that you want to solve. So this will be equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. And this must be enclosed in curly brackets like this. Great. After that, you're going to put a comma after the curly bracket, and in another set of curly brackets, you're going to put all of the variables that are in these equations that you want to solve for. So for mine, this will be z, w, x, and y. Great, so now if I run this, as you can see, it solves for values of z, w, x, and y, and that's basically it. There you have it, guys. If you wanted to know how to solve a system of equations in Mathematica, this is the easiest way I know how, and if you know of another way, then leave a comment below and make sure to subscribe for more videos.